section, linear optimization of a function. Do you have any idea about the linear equation, drawing of linear equation, feasible region? Yes, class. Are you there? Hello.
There, ma'am.
Only Nishant is replying. What about the others? Aditi, Smith, Shreyas, Suryakant, Anshul. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshul, good morning. Aditi, Sushant,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start the session. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So the linear programming problem, these are the contents of linear programming problem. With the help of this linear programming, we can optimize the solution. With optimization of a solution means what? A particular solution is in generalized form. We can get the maximum profit and minimum loss with this for the certain demand with the given equation. Linear programming has nothing to do with computer programming. It is used to word programming here means choosing a course of action. Course of action in terms of mathematical term, either plus, minus, divide, multiply, addition, or square. These are what choosing a course of action. Linear programming involves choosing a course of action when the mathematical model of the problem contains only linear function. The maximization or minimization The maximization or minimization of some quantity is the objective in all programming problems. In general, maximization means maximize the profit, okay? Maximize the profit, and minimization means minimize the loss. This actually logical meaning of these two words. All LP problems have constraint that limits the degree to which the objective can be pursued. Degree of a linear equation. What exactly is the definition of linear equation? Can you tell me? What is linear equation?
Ma'am, in linear equation, the degree of the variables is 1.
Is 1. The degree of a variable is 1. So the equation is called as linear equation. So a feasible solution satisfied all the problem constraint. Feasible solution, optimal solution, all are same, which says satisfied all the problem constraint. We'll discuss what exactly the constraint is, what exactly the equation is. An optimal solution is a feasible solution, as I just explained, that result in a large possible objective function value when maximizing or smallest when minimizing. It is smallest when we solve the minimization problem, the optimal solution is minimum. When we solve the maximization problem, the optimal solution is maximum. Right? Yes, class. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Huh? Okay. So optimal solution is minimum when we solve the minimization problem, and it is maximum when we solve the maximization problem. Graphical solution method can be used to solve a linear programming with two variable. Graphical solution method is there to solve a linear programming with two variable x or y or a or b, right? Now, if both the objective function and constraint are linear, listen it carefully. If both the objective function and constraints are linear, the problem is referred to as linear programming problem. When both the values are linear, the problem is called as linear programming problem. Linear functions are the function in which each variable appears in a separate term raised to the first power and is multiplied by the constraint, like 2x, 3b, 4y, right? The simple each single function with the first power, single variable with the first power. Power of y is 1 and multiplied by the constant 4. Here power of x is 1 multiplied by the constant 2. Linear constraint are the linear functions that are restricted to be less than or equal to. All the linear constraints are the condition which actually explain the feasible or region for the optimum solution for a given objective function. I repeat, all the constraints are the conditions, condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, all the conditions which explain or which satisfied or which refers the feasible region of that for the optimum solution for the given objective function, right? Or equal to or greater than equal to a constant. So the objective function or the linear constraint are linear function which are either less than or equal to or greater than equal to a constant. We'll discuss all this. Let's start with this question. Which of the following mathematical relationship could be found in a linear programming model and which could not? For the relationship that are unacceptable for linear program. Now, the first one, is it a linear uh, relationship or a linear programming?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because like there is a like the indefinite symbol like less than equal to,
Huh?
and also that this is an objective function, I think. So which is which looks linear. Other functions like
No,
have
that I am asking why it is linear.
Because of the degree of the variables, ma'am.
Because
It's one. The degree of the variables. It's one.
it's one. See, it's not linear programming or linear equation or linear programming, linear representation. All these terms, the linear presents the degree of variable should be 1. Here both the variables are having degree 1, right? So this is the linear mathematical relationship. Agree? When this type of representation is there, What exactly the value of a power of a is 1 or 0?
1.
But that power is not mentioned here, then why it is not 0?
Because anything raised to 0 is 1.
Exactly, because anything which is having 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Now the second one, B1. Is it linear?
It is linear, but it is having a definite symbol equal to.
No issue. Linearity is not related with the conditional operators, right? It is only related with the power of that variable, number of variables and their power, right? So this is also linear. What about this? What about C part?
Non-linear.
Why?
Degree 2.
Degree 2. So it is non-linear. Here degree 1 by 2. So it is also non-linear. This is linear. This is linear or non-linear?
Linear one.
Hmm?
Non-linear, I think. Non-linear.
Non-linear. Power of
No, no,
each
it is
term should
linear.
be equal to 1.
Linear.
Power of each term should be equal to 1. So is this linear or non-linear?
It is linear actually.
Linear.
Yes.
Power of each term. It has 3 terms. 2a, then 5b, then 1ab. Right? Power of term 1 is 1. Power of term 2 is 1. But power of term 3 is 2. This is also 1. This is also 1. So the power of whole this term is 2. So this is what? Non-linear. Right? Is this clear?
Yes,
Now, now we'll draw the model formulation or model function for the given problem. Understand the problem, describe the objective, describe the constraint, describe the decision variable, objective in terms of decision variable, constraint in terms of decision variable. Find the solution that satisfies the following constraint. Can you graphically draw this A? How to draw this? What are the solution for this? The solution to calculate uh, the solution for a given equation. This is a very basic. I start from very basic. 1 minute. How to calculate the solution for a given equation or a given constraint, right? So this is the solution, or sorry, this is the equation 4a plus 2b is equal to 60, right? Here one sign is there equals, so we can solve the, or we can calculate the solution for the given expression. How to calculate? Two method, or the simplest method we'll discuss. In any value or in any graphical representation, there are two coordinates, right? One is x coordinate, other one is y coordinate, right?
yes, ma'am.
Class, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Start from bit 6. This is x and this is y. So we calculate the coordinates or the optimal solution or the simplest solution for the given equation by, in this case, this x is a and this y is b. First keep x 0 and calculate y, then calculate y 0 and calculate x. In the coordinates, in terms of coordinates, we represent this xy in the form of x comma y, right? So when I substitute a is equal to 0, what is the value of b?
8.
8. And when I put b equal to 0, what is the value of a? X 4.
4. 4.
So my coordinates are, this is a, b, this is a, b, right? This is the line, this is the line where this is the line where y equal to 0. Agree? Here there is no y, x values are there only. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the line where x equal to 0. Agree? Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And 9, right? So draw these coordinates. 0, 8, x equal to 0, a equal to 0, y is equal to 8. This is x equal to 0 line, y. So y, b is equal to 8, right? Means here, agree with me? This b line, b axis or y axis is what? When a is equal to 0, there is no a value. This is 0th point, right? At x equal to 0 or a equal to 0, what is the value of y? 8. And when b is equal to 0, here b is also 0, then what is the value of a? 4, right? Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am.
So when I draw this, this will be my graphical representation of this equation, right? Now here, 4a plus 2b, the graphical representation of 4a plus 2b is less than 16. So the whole area is less than from this line, right? So which will be my favorable region? This will be my favorable region. Agree? Yes, class. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because when you put here, mm, when you put here 4a plus 2b equal to 0, 60. When you put 0 comma 8, the first coordinate, this is second coordinate, right? When you put first coordinate, you will get 0 comma 8. This term becomes 0 and 8 to the 16, right? Agree? So this line represent 4a plus 2b equal to 16. Second coordinate, 4 comma 0. This term becomes 0 and 4 4 the 16. Again it will be 16 comma 16, right? So this line is what? This line is what? 4a plus 2b equal to 16. And since the feasible region or the favorable region, favorable condition, favorable area is less than this 16, so my favorable region will be will be this one. Are you with me? Miss Class, is this clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you familiar with all these topics or all these concepts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now solve this one. 4a plus 2b is greater than 16. Solve in paintbrush and show me. 4a plus 2b is greater than 16. 4a plus 2b is greater than 16. Show me the result. Done. And the third one is 4a plus 2b is equal to 16. Try to solve this. All these are the same equation. Yes. Please share your screen, everyone. Aditi, hello.
Ma'am, Aditi is having her interview, ma'am,
Where?
in a company.
What about others? No response from your side, class. So I think I should stop the lecture and leave the rest of the content. You can prepare it by yourself.
Ma'am, everyone is doing. No one is done. That's why.
Do it now and show me the result, then only I will proceed. Take your own time. Complete it. Yes, done or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You are telling Aditi is in interview. She is messaging because of network issue. I'm unmute. I'm unable to unmute. Nice, good one. How many of you have solved this question?
Me, ma'am. Okay.
And
Ma'am, actually the graph will be same, right?
hmm,
For 4a plus 2b greater than 16.
hmm.